atong kuhaon ang board pit aning bula, no? Is per volume, no? Bula sa tinis. Alex Ayala. Okay. Tennis ball measurement. Radius is 1.3 inches. Then is per volume formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi radius cube, no? Standard formula. Then another formula is volume equals 4 pi radius cube over 3, no? So, another isa ka formula is per formula is per volume. Volume equals 4 pi radius cube divided by 3. So, kini nga formula atong gamiton mga idol para dili ta magdouble bar ta para isa na lang kabagis. So mo na ni ang formula sa board pit, no? Board pit equals 4 pi radius cube divided by 3 over 144 cubic inch. Okay. So gamitan na to og proper equation of math equation. So dara ang equation mga idol. Mao ni ang equation. So ato lang putol-putolon ha. Okay, dara. Okay. Board pit equals 4 pi radius cube divided by 3 over 144 cubic inch. Then down, board pit equals open bracket 4 open parenthesis 3.1416 close parenthesis open parenthesis 1.3 inches close parenthesis then cube then close bracket to then divided by 3 over 144 cubic inch, no? So baba tayo. Open bracket 12.5664 then open parenthesis 1.3 inches times 1.3 inches times 1.3 inches then close parenthesis then close bracket divided by 3 over 144 cubic inch. So baba pa tayo. Open bracket 12.5664 times 2.197 cubic inch then close parenthesis divided by 3 over 144 cubic inch. So again, open parenthesis 12.5664 times 2.197 cubic inch close parenthesis divided by 3 then over 144 cubic inch. So dara. Board pit equals 9.2027936 cubic inch over 144 cubic inch. So cubic inch over cubic inch, so cancel, no? Cancel ang unit. So ang atong board pit equals 0.0639082889 board put, no? So kani nga bula is per volume is ang iyang volume is 0.0639082889 board put, no? Mao ni ang iyang volume mga idol. So mao lang to. Og daghang salamat.